Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We're looking at the best midweek deals at Walgreens and Meijer. Meijer is a grocery store in the Midwest only. Walgreens throughout the US, everybody's favorite pharmacy. And we're going to talk about some great little deals there this week. First thing I do want to talk about is Wednesday, May the 27th. In your coupons folder, you probably have these three. Go and load them right away. They are going to start working on Sunday, May the 31st. So remember, it doesn't start until then. And I'm thinking in store it's probably going to be either a spend 35 or a spend 30 to earn back 7 or 10 for the P&G. So it'll be a really heavy P&G week, which a lot of us really like. Let me know if you got a booster like spend 20, earn back 5, or spend 30, earn back 10, or whatever. Something like that. I would love to know. The first deal we're going to talk about is with the $6 Colgate paste or brushes. This is the fancier line. If you've ever been curious to try it, this is definitely the week to do that. And we are definitely a Colgate household over here. This week we have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon. This is the friend you're going to load. I'm going to let all the new couponers out there know that if you wanted to do this deal and the brush deal, you have to do them 2 separate transactions, or only 1 register reward will print per transaction. Grabbing 2 of the Colgate toothpaste fancies, that's 6 times 2, that's 12. Subtracting the coupon, you're going to pay 6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Next deal that we're doing is the Dial body wash, and I'm just going to let you guys know because I've been couponing forever. This specific deal, it doesn't really pop up that often. So if you want to get in on the Dial body wash, definitely do the deal this week. I'm going to load this friend, which is a 2 off of 2. And the Dial is 7 for 2. So the third one will ring up for $3.50. Adding all 3 together, that's $10.50. Subtracting that 2 off of 2, you're going to pay $8.50. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $3.50 for the 3 or $1.16 per body wash. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I think a lot of you that have ever gone through surgery know that a lot of hospitals need you to use the Dial Gold. So it's always great to have that gold one, whatever it's called, in your stockpile in case you ever have that misfortune. You know you have to go in for surgery, and they are very specific the type of body wash you need to use. Super deal this week goes to the Garnier Fructis shampoo. Whole blends is a little bit more, so Fructis is the cheaper way to go. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Buying 2 of these, you get back a $3 register reward. So just doing a quick tally, 2 of these shampoos this week is $8.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $5.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per Garnier. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This next deal, if you're not a fan of the Scott's paper towel, just do the toilet paper. They have a smaller one and a larger one. The smaller one is scented, so the larger one isn't. This is a really affordable price for toilet paper, and I think a lot of us really want to stock up on these meat and potato products right now. It's just the smart thing to do. These are the coupons that you're going to load for this deal if you want to go full tilt with this one. The 2 off of 2 for the paper towel, and then also for the toilet paper, there's a similar 2 off of 2 coupon. The promotion for this paper is buy one, get one 50% off, and they're $5 a bag. So grabbing 4 of them, that is exactly $20. Subtracting the 2 off 2 coupons times 2, that's $4 melting off for you. The buy one, get one 50% off is taking off an additional $5. You don't have to load anything for that either. It just automatically comes off for you. So it's 11 for 4 or $2.75 per bag of toilet paper or paper towels. I just think it's really smart. And if you wanted to go at 50% of this just to grab the toilet paper, it would be $5.50 for the 2. Same price of $2.75 per unit. but I think it's just a really smart deal to do right now. A lot of us are trying to build our paper products. Now, tomorrow, which is going to be Wednesday the 28th, around noon Eastern or 10 a.m. Mountain Time, there will be a new code dropped on social media for the cheap gas with IBOTTA, the app that all of us love. I'm going to do a dedicated video to this because a lot of you just weren't sure about it. I'm just going to walk you through it, show you exactly where to post or to put the code in and how to have a lot of luck with this. Last week, I did have to babysit the app for probably an hour before I could get in successfully to put my code in, and I got $56. So I will discuss this a lot more tomorrow, but remember, tomorrow, either 10 a.m. Mountain or about noon Eastern, we're going to be discussing this again. And it's really worth it. Even if you get 1 gallon of free gas, I think it's worth trying. The final store that I have for you guys is Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest. There is no sister store. Meijer is Meijer is Meijer. So this morning we got a little gift, which is the 5 off 25. And as you can see, it's valid till June 16th. So if you do not like this week's deals, or you're like, those coupons are chintzy, I hear you. I understand you. But if you wanted to just load that coupon, there will be alternative deals. So in this basket, you can grab whatever you want, but I'm just giving you a guideline to get your basket down to, like, I think $14 or $15. We're going to throw in one of these 31 counters of the Tide Pods with the $2 digital coupon. I'll show you all those coupons in a second. One of these summery Febreze, and we have a $2 coupon to go with. I encourage you guys to open up your shop and scan when you are in store, and scan absolutely everything. And remember, class, we're doing a $25 basket. We're not doing a $50, which is usually the one that we do for this promotion. One of these Swiffer wet packs, we have another $2 coupon. One item, this is embarrassing. I don't really have a lot in my stockpile right now, and I use these all the time. So 24 will last me a while, so I'm definitely going to do this deal. And then the napkins with all the summer cookouts, I definitely need to stock up on this because I use a lot of these napkins, just a favorite in our household, and I like the white ones. So just to show you the little chorus line of all the little coupons, we have that weird 5 off 25 along with the 50-cent for the napkins, the $2 for the Tide Pods. Remember, you're getting a 31 counter, so yeah. The $2 for the Swiffer, and then the $2 for the Febreze. Altogether, this is $6.50 in digital coupons along with that 5, so that's $11.50 off. Remember that. Okay, so the overall total here for this magical basket, we're looking at $29.36. Now I'm just typing this in my phone, so that $4.95 pickup fee won't count because I'm actually going in store for this madness. So after my $11.50 in coupons, remember, I'm like, remember this, guys? It's $20.98, but subtracting the $4.95 because I'm not doing this as a pickup, it's going to be like 16-ish out of pocket. So you're saving about what, $9? Not a bad little deal. Again, if you want to just do it a little differently, I know those serviettes or the napkins isn't everybody's speed. You could just finesse it in a different way, but just showing you a cheap little basket with things that I need for my household. I hope this helps you guys out. That's it for this video. We will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.